You're causing dental disasters that could destroy your teeth right now. In 2025, we reveal 6 sneaky dental disasters you're causing and how to stop them before you lose your smile. For a life-saving dental trick, check the Navy Tooth Repair hack in the description. Have you been dreading your next dental checkup? Do you worry about the cost of treatment if the dentist finds problems? If you answered yes, you're not alone. Millions of adults lose teeth prematurely due to preventable causes. But did you know that even small habits like sipping coffee all day can damage your teeth? You may be putting yourself at risk without realizing it. That is why it's crucial to educate yourself on common dental mistakes so you can avoid them in the new year. By being aware of these hidden dangers, you can take control of your oral health and keep your smile looking its best. Don't let another year go by without taking care of your teeth. Make a change today and protect your smile for years to come. Here are 6 sneaky ways you might be sabotaging your dental health without realizing it. 1. Sipping wine or coffee all day. Do you love a good cup of joe or a glass of wine? While these beverages can be enjoyed occasionally, sipping them throughout the day can cause staining and erosion of your enamel due to their acidity. But don't worry, there are ways to combat this sneaky dental disaster. Simply limit yourself to 1 cup of each per day and rinse your mouth with water afterwards to neutralize any lingering acidity. With these simple tips, you can continue enjoying your favorite drinks without sacrificing your pearly whites. 2. Chewing sticky gum or candy. Who doesn't love a good piece of gum or candy? However, if you're constantly chewing on sticky sweets, you may be inviting cavities into your mouth. The sugar in these treats gets trapped in between your teeth, creating the perfect environment for bacteria and plaque to build up. But don't despair, there's a simple solution to this problem. Opt for sugar-free gum and candy with xylitol instead. Not only does xylitol prevent cavities, but it also promotes good oral health. So go ahead and satisfy your sweet tooth, but do it in a way that protects your smile. 3. Ignoring minor toothaches. Do you often push through the pain and ignore your body's signals? Well, when it comes to your teeth, ignoring minor toothaches is a big mistake. A toothache could be an early sign of a cavity or a crack in your tooth, and it's important to address it promptly. If left untreated, a small problem can quickly turn into a major issue. So don't delay, schedule a dentist appointment within a week of experiencing a toothache and save yourself from potential pain and expense down the road. Remember, your smile is worth taking care of. 4. Overbrushing with a hard brush. Brushing your teeth is an essential part of maintaining good oral hygiene, but many people make the mistake of overdoing it with a hard, bristled toothbrush. This can lead to enamel erosion and irritated gums, which can cause more harm than good. The key is to find a soft, bristled toothbrush and use gentle brushing motions to clean your teeth. It may feel less abrasive initially, but over time it will protect your teeth and gums while still effectively removing plaque and promoting optimal oral health. 5. Not rinsing after acidic foods. Do you love a good citrus fruit or fizzy drink? While they can be refreshing and packed with flavor, consuming too many acidic foods and drinks can harm your teeth. The acid can soften your enamel, making it easier for bacteria to cause cavities. That is why it's important to rinse your mouth with water for 30 seconds after indulging in these tasty treats. This helps neutralize the acid and prevent any damage to your precious pearly whites. And remember, wait 30 minutes before brushing your teeth after consuming acidic foods. This allows your saliva to remineralize your teeth and protect against cavities. 6. Skipping annual dental cleanings. Visiting the dentist can be daunting, but skipping those annual cleanings could be a costly mistake. Plaque buildup can lead to gum disease and other dental issues that are painful and expensive to treat later on. To keep your smile sparkling and prevent future problems, schedule those checkups and cleanings every 6 to 12 months. Remember, prevention is the key to keeping your teeth for life. Don't let another year go by without taking care of your teeth. Watch the Navy Tooth Repair Hack video linked in the description. It's a must-see if you want to save your teeth. Subscribe, hit the bell, and comment which disaster you'll fix first. If you found this helpful, please share it with friends and family. The references and studies used are listed in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.